Haven't been filming a lot lately because I've been I was sick for a couple days, and two, just haven't really felt like it. You know, it takes some out of your day to do this, and I've been trying to get caught up on my work. So sorry about not having some daily HVAC stuff for you. It's been more kind of goofy stuff lately, but just kind of kicking back here on the Saturday. I was going to go out to that big remodel job and finally get the noise issue, which I went out there actually today, and man, that thing's not making that much noise. You know, anybody has any critiques about you know, me putting those line sets in the walls and stuff? That's what we do. You know, you run the stuff where the customer wants the equipment. Now you let them know that, hey, you're going to hear it. You know, it's not completely quiet. But I went out there today, and man, it sounded fine, but it probably wasn't wrapped up high. You know, when it's up to 100%, it's probably when he's hearing it and in defrost. But I went out there, and there's guys making a bunch of noise and sanding and stuff. So if I really want to pinpoint and figure out how to get rid of that noise, I'm going to have to go there probably tomorrow morning when there's absolutely nobody there on a Sunday morning. So that's what I'm going to do. Anyways, what I have for you today is I'm going to do some maintenance around the house here. Some stuff that I've been meaning to do. Let me show you. So as you guys know, I've been running my system without the backup heat on. This is all my heat pump. It's pretty mild right now. I don't trust that sensor so much, but on my weather station here, 33.9 degrees outside. As you can see, it still maintains 70, no problem. And then if we toggle through this here, our low temp this morning was 18.8, and we didn't drop below 70, so it's doing a good job. I'm just going to leave my backup heat disconnected, and it's not 75 in here. That sensor for some reason reads high. I don't know why, but humidity's pretty close. What do we got? We got 37. Well, it's outdoor. I don't know what my indoor humidity is on that. Shows 31%. It's fine. But the bigger problem. Oh, sorry, I came too close. Wouldn't be the first time, huh? Is this guy? Look at that. I'm gonna get him cleaned up. Let me show you our bathroom exhaust fan grill too. Oh man, I'm gonna get that cleaned up too. So this is the wife and my master bathroom here, and I think we're getting good air through him. I don't think so. I'm gonna go ahead and get him cleaned up too. Let's start with the one upstairs and go get my 6-foot ladder. Give you guys a little closer look here. I've showed you this when I was doing maintenance on my system. I was going to clean this and I never did. I showed this on a video a few months ago. Ew! She's gross. And up above the, you know, our stoop here above our stairs. Nasty up there. Cats like to spend a lot of time up here. Let's clean it. I got my drill. I'm going to go ahead and just pull him off the wall and probably take him out and hose him off real good. Give me a good idea of what the return can and the return duct looks like up there too, because I've never actually climbed up in that small little attic that's up above here. Bet this hasn't been off in 20 years. Oh yeah, she's dirty. I'm probably gonna get my shop vac up here. Oh. Not good. Let's show you. Yeah. Get my shop back up and clean that up, you know, as far back as I can. At least they put a hard elbow on that before it goes to the flags. So, yeah, we'll get this all fixed up. All right, for a second there, I thought I wasn't going to be able to do this because my hose was frozen, but it was just a small little part right there, and it pushed out. So we'll be able to hose this guy off, hose him off, and see what she looks like. Well, isn't that nice and satisfying? Get her all nice and cleaned up there. Kind of sucks doing it when it's like 33 degrees outside, but hey, she's good. And my water is a-flowing. Let's go vacuum up that return air best we can. I gotta go turn the system off and brush some of this first, then I'll vac it up. Got this puppy right here. Brush all this, get this stuff all loosened up, and then I'll vac it up. System shut itself off, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this while it's shut down. Real quick like. Actually, you know what? Fan's running. I'm going to go ahead and just break this loose. I need to change my filter anyway. Let's suck it in. I don't care. They didn't caulk around my return can either. So, yeah, maybe I'll tape that. Get some silver tape on there. Seal that off. That's why all my grills have brown crap on them. Yeah, go ahead, just letting the fan suck all that in, guys. Let me hit the filter. Much better than it was. Let's go see what my filter looks like here in a second. So this return runs about, I don't know, 25 feet or so. So it should suck all that stuff in. Let's put the grill back on. Okay, before we put the grill on, I'll show you guys a little trick that I learned when I was doing energy saving measures on systems. So, you can take just your metal tape. This stuff sticks to just about anything. And just make sure it doesn't go past where your grill is going to go. You can just put it right on the surface there of your drywall. Run it up like that, and then fold it over onto your metal. And this stuff will not come off. Let me show you. Let me show you what it looks like. Here, I'm gonna flip this around. So yeah, you can see my line where the grill covers. Just make sure your tape ain't past that point, so it'll be seen. And just push it down real good up against your metal and your drywall, and that'll keep you from having that little brown. It's worse on the supplies, but you'll get that dust coming out through, and it'll get all over your walls like it is on mine. So. Over that register over there is real brown below it. It should go to all my registers and do this. So anyway, I'm gonna get that, get all that on and get my grill on. Okay, so this is what you want it looking like. Take your time and make sure you push that down so it's sticking. You don't have any air bubbles. You can even take a squeegee and push it down. I'm good at using my fingers with this, so save the jokes. But this is something you as a homeowner can do as well to make your house a little more energy efficient and just keep it from being so dusty. Go around all your registers in your house, return and your supplies, put that on. Put this tape on, metal tape, which you can get at any of the big box stores. So we're gonna put this grill on, and we're gonna go check out my filter, see how dirty it is, especially since I knocked all this crap loose in here. All right, grill's back on, nice and clean as I could get it. Looks a lot better, huh? Let's go take a look at that filter, then we'll go downstairs and tackle that bath fan. If I can get this done before the wife gets home from doing groceries, because I'll have to help with groceries. So I'll probably just wrap up the video with this return if I don't get to the fan before they get back home. This is what I'm talking about, guys, with you know, when you have positive pressure inside your living space, you get that dust, and it's a lot worse when the grills are on the floor, drawn from a crawl space. You get that big brown ring around your carpet or your flooring. Take each of these off and tape around them, and that problem will go away. Here we go. This one's a better representation. I want my family pictures in there, but see how you get that dust all around? Just tape around the perimeter of that, and that will go away 100%. All right, who wants to guess the date on this guy? Huh, only 2 months ago. Let's see what it looks like. You know what? Didn't really suck that stuff in yet, and this filter doesn't look too bad. Let's go ahead and put it back in. She's be fine for now. Get in there, sucker. One-handed. Grab the door up there. So yeah, hopefully you guys learned something about how to do a little bit of maintenance yourself on your returns. Let's grab my 2-foot ladder. We'll go downstairs to the bathroom, and I'll clean the grill on that bath fan. Guys, so again, this is something you as a homeowner can do. So these come off very easily. They just pull down, and then you got a couple little tabs here. I'll show you when I get it down. You just gotta squeeze those, and it pops right out. Ooh, look at that motor. See how I'm just squeezing that, and it just pops out. Whew. Yeah, I'm gonna go back and get the vacuum, I think. She's nasty. Ugh. She is nasty. Let's rinse. I'm just gonna rinse her off here in the bathroom sink. All right, let's get this guy vacuumed up. Oh. Get it so good you can eat off of it. I was going to put my brush on it, but you know, I didn't get it perfect. I don't want to get my brush in here and make my wife upset by getting dirt everywhere, even though I could clean it up, but I don't want it all over our clean bathroom. So when I get to the point, I'm going to actually make this this fan bigger. I'm going to show you guys how to install a fan without having to cut any drywall and get new duct in there. That'll be a project probably for this spring, but let's clean this grill. My wife's probably going to kill me for showing our messy bathroom. I'm probably going to have to go get that brush. I could be able to get all that crap out of there. Now it's going. I could just take it out to the hose. Now it's working. Oh, she's going to let me get all this in her sink too. Oh well, there's evidence, right? Hopefully you can see that. Again, these are just little things you can do at home to make your stuff work better. Oh yeah, I'm going to clog her thing. I'll be cleaning out that trap, plumbing trap, probably tomorrow. I'm watching the Super Bowl, though. I'm watching the Super Bowl. That's not till 3:30, so. Who do you guys want to win? I want the Eagles to win. I can't stand the Chiefs. Tired of Kelsey, Swift, all that nonsense. All right, let's let her sink drain out here. Whew. Yeah, she's already not draining very fast. All right, I'm going to wipe this thing out with a paper towel. Yeah, shoot, her sink clogged. Oops. That's not good. All right, she's all back up there, nice and clean now. I'll wipe my fingerprints off it just like you would for a customer. Yeah. And sorry, honey. I'm gonna grab some paper towels and clean that out, and then I'll have to get under her sink, which she has more stuff under there than you see on Hoarders. You won't believe what she's got under there. But yeah, and I'll clean her trap out later because that sucks. Might as well hit mine. Look at my sink. Don't look at that. Anyway, whew. All right, that should be it. That'll wrap up the video for today, guys. I appreciate you watching me mess around at my house. See you next time.